Ugqirha Katlego Mothudi uyavuma ukuba kufuneka zitshintshe indlela yokusebenza iinkampani ze-medical aid kweli.
There should be oversight by the professional bodies and the regulators. I think they talked about the Health Professional Council's role, as well as the Council for Medical Schemes, that when there are complaints that are reported against these entities, the Council must actually investigate timelessly and then bring some relief.
Uthi nangona zikhona iziganeko zobuqhophololo kodwa uninzi logqirha lulandela imithetho.
There are cases of blatant fraudulent activity. The majority of activities that are noted are submission of false claims, and this is where claims would be submitted on behalf of beneficiaries for services not rendered, or where the services that were rendered are misrepresented.
Uthi nangona zikhona izingxaki kufuneka kuphele ukugxeleshelana ngezikhondo zamehlo phakathi kwezinkampani kunye nogqirha.
Our view is that we should not be at opposite ends, and I mean from the medical aid industry with the healthcare practitioners. We should look at this as a systemic challenge with structural problems that need to be addressed and that need all parties to come on board.
Mothudi uthi zizakufakana iimilomo kwingxelo nekomiti ibisingathe oluphando.